They just tacked it 2 times. I guess to keep the pipes from moving. I don't know if the clamps didn't work or not.
Stage 2?
It's got clutch.
Clutch 2?
Already has a stage 4 on it.
Oh, stage 4 on it? Okay, cool.
Got valve covers, memo. It's just getting clutch.
Okay. This was stage 3, right? Or did he just come in to get mufflers and stuff?
Got heads and cam, valve covers, Corsa axle back. That's about it.
All right.
What's up?
Nice job. Got her back in.
How do you know? You didn't see what I did.
Yeah.
I could have butchered the whole thing.
Yeah?
Could have. You weren't here.
Could have. Well, I did. I did leave for a second.
My guess is going to be 415.
415. All right.
It's a little high.
I'm gonna say 407.
All right. We'd go 400.
Where did you bring your lunch today?
I did not.
Oh, that's a perfect storm right
Trying to head over to the doghouse.
We could.
Yeah.
I have not had a hot dog in a while.
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not a hot dog fan, but they're pretty good hot dogs. They got burgers and stuff too. That float your boat?
Yeah, you gotta just experience it.
But these have stock mufflers on it, or so it's not gonna be too loud.
It's headers. Got a only here for headers. Got an intake on it.
Let me get a little shot of the engine bed and look at it yet. Yeah, so it's just intake. That's about it.
I figured I was a little too high. Should make probably with a tune and headers probably around 420.
Yeah, let's say it'd be low 400s afterwards.
I'm about to be the winner.
have it. Nice win.
That's number 3, I think.
I was gonna say 369, but I thought that was way too low, and then I'm like, jump up in the 4s. And then when I said that, I knew it was too hot. Generally, probably with headers and an intake around 420, like I said, they'll make.
Yeah, so it's already got the intake, so.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
kind of went a little bit lower than that, but
Yeah.
no, there's no tune on it. Not a fucking goddamn thing.
What's up, big dog? Hey, buddy.
It runs that bad.
Good morning. Good morning, buddy. Yeah, what's up? Okay.
He probably has something hooked up backwards. Honestly, like a ground powered or something like that.
What you said, this thing's just getting headers, that's it?
Yeah, just headers.
Okay.
We gotta put that V on the dyno. We gotta putting and getting these out is easy.
Yeah.
The back half of the exhaust tricky on these.
How far does this set go back?
All the way to the mufflers.
All the way to the muffler? Okay.
And then there's like the O2 extensions you have to put on this. The one sits on top of the transmission, and they're miserable to get to. You gotta actually lower the transmission to get to them usually. Depending, I don't know if other years are different, but it looks like this one's gonna be that way too. Speaking of glorious, are you ready for some cheese dogs?
I'm ready for a chili cheese
Foot
dog.
long?
Foot long. Woo!
I usually get 2 footlongs and a fry, 2 cheese footlongs and a fry.
2?
Yeah, but
Whoa.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do all that today.
Dude, I might have to do
I
that.
might have to though.
How much is a foot long? Like $4? $5?
Yeah, they're not that expensive. The chili ones, I don't know, because I don't fuck with that. But that, he's love today. Somebody freaking out over there?
I don't know.
I thought I heard somebody getting mad.
Yeah, right. So a couple people getting mad over there. More than one. Give it the Angry Eric seal of approval.
Not quite yet.
Not there. Shoot.
Alright, wiper down, put the O2s in, it's good.
And that was all she's getting, so off to be tuned.
You don't wipe these things down when you're done with them. All your fingerprints burn into the metal.
What, from the oil?
Stained there from forever. Stained there forever.
Sounds better. It's got more character to it. A little more life.
All right, I'm gonna put it in the air, double check everything real quick, and put it on the dyno.
Off we go.
Baselined this morning.
Yeah.
And Eric just put headers on this one. Not at all. 40-some horsepower. Headers. Into. This had the intake on it, I think.
Yeah,
right?
it had the intake on it.
I was going to say, I didn't think we did that.
This one's just here for a tune, right?
Yep, we sold them the parts.
Okay.
It's got basically our full stage 1 with an air raid and a 255.
That's it. Pretty simple.
Yeah, so injectors, pulley, air intake, bolt-on shit. It'll make 630, yeah, maybe more than that. I don't know, maybe 650.
Maybe. All right.
It's nice and cool today, so maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was way off on my prediction. It's been a while since we've done like a bone stock V2. Basically bone stock. I forgot these things only make like 480 or so stock. So it's at made 560 first pull. It may make 580, but maybe not. But still, I mean, 100 horsepower from like three simple mods, you know? If it had E, it would make probably like 610, 620. So, but it might make 575-ish.
The drastic change though, it's a chick's car too.
Yeah. Yeah, 100 horsepower in something like this.
Yeah.
You'll feel
100
it.
horsepower in anything is
Yeah.
a drastic difference. Perfect.
Well, looks pretty good from here.
Made 585. I don't know what it baselined, but I know we didn't baseline it.
No, we didn't baseline it.
So who knows? But it probably picked up 100, maybe more, honestly, but probably 100.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us on other social medias. Stay tuned for next week's videos where Eric gets into this black ZR1 and then Fran dynos the F1X Z06.